As things stand right now, CLF is trending. This is Tuesday, the 21st of October, 2025. It lost 17.37% in the regular session. Intraday high of $17.5 printed yesterday. There's more to what is going on right now. Let's see what we can find out.
Cleveland Cliffs has become a focal point of market discussion, following a dramatic swing in its share price and a bold shift in strategic direction. The stock surged over 21% in the previous session after the company revealed plans to expand into rare earth mineral production, a move seen as an attempt to diversify beyond traditional steel operations and align with the growing demand for critical materials in electric vehicles and renewable energy technologies. However, optimism was quickly tempered when Wells Fargo issued a downgrade, cutting its rating on CLF from equal weight to underweight, which triggered a sharp 17% pullback in the stock. Analysts at Wells Fargo cited execution risks and uncertain profitability surrounding the rare earth initiative, as well as potential headwinds in the steel market as reasons for the downgrade. Across investor forums, sentiment is sharply divided. Supporters argue that Cleveland Cliffs' entry into rare earths could mark a pivotal transformation, positioning the company within one of the most strategically important sectors for U.S. industrial independence. They point to the firm's integrated supply chain, domestic production base, and potential government incentives as factors that could make the venture viable. However, skeptics, on the other hand, warn that the transition may prove costly and distracting, potentially stretching the company's balance sheet and management bandwidth. They question whether Cleveland Cliffs can realistically compete with established global players in the rare earth supply chain, given the capital intensive and technical challenges of the business. Adding to the intrigue, some traders are speculating about possible acquisitions or joint ventures as Cleveland Cliffs seeks to accelerate its rare earth ambitions. Rumors of partnerships with technology or energy firms have added fuel to the volatility, although no concrete announcements have been made. Overall, the market remains in flux, caught between enthusiasm for Cleveland Cliffs' vision of reinvention and concerns that the recent rally may have been driven more by hype than fundamentals. The coming quarters are expected to be crucial in determining whether CLF's rare earth push represents the start of a lasting transformation or just another fleeting market narrative.
The underlying trend is a bullish one. Okay, the 200-day moving average is, as you can see, sloping bullishly upwards. The stock has an affinity to its 10-day moving average. You see, going all the way back, you can even say all the way back. Let's just say, okay, when it went bullish, when it crossed over that moving average. Let's begin from here. Let's begin from the 28th, 20, 30th of June. Look at that. There have been so many cases where it closed within standard deviation above or below, and then the next session it spiked. This is one. This is a one. This is this does it doesn't it didn't happen here. It dwelled way beyond that. Closed. It dropped close beyond that moving average and continued to extend. But since it crossed over again, the as of the 27th of August, it has actually done that one so many times. Okay, well this we could still add it even though yeah, this is it as well. One, two, three trading sessions here, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11. This will make it the 12th since August. Today, let's see now, it closed at 13.39, and that moving average is at 13.95. So it is within one standard deviation. Let's see whether it's going to bounce tomorrow. I don't think the algos have. I don't think they are paying attention to that. It's not. They don't recognize that. It seems it's saying here that it's going to continue to weaken up till the 23rd. That is Thursday, the 23rd. And after that, from Monday, the 27th, the uptrend may resume. No guarantee that that will be the case. Okay, the 10 and 20, the 10-day moving average is the 10 and 21-day moving average. They're still trending. So this 17% decline is not enough because it's just this is just a 1 day thing. Positions opened all the way back to 10 days ago, 21 days ago, even all the way back to I can say up to 40 days ago. Still very much in profit. That's why we have these moving averages, these indicators still trending. That's why we still have them trending. Projections are currently saying 14 point, well, no current projections, nothing like that. Well, there are, but they are downward projections: 13.04, 13.25, 13.60. Previous projections, previous upper projections were 14.54, 16.54, and then 17.78. These were as of the 28th of August. Yeah. Okay. On its 4 hour chart, which let's see what we have here. Okay, a contraction. This is actually a contraction of, amongst other things, a contraction of yesterday's expansion. Here it's saying the bounce is going to happen, which lends to our signal that it might bounce because of its affinity to its 10-day moving average. Here it's this is validating that, or rather supporting that theory, that's going to bounce and remain hold the strength up till Thursday, yeah, Thursday the 23rd. And yeah, okay. Projections here are saying up to 16.07. Price pressure momentums here, let's see, there's a good chance they're still trending, but the 21-day moving average, 21 period moving average is now has gone bearish for some reason because it's cycled and its head has caught up with its tail. That's probably why we have the positions opened it 4 hours ago. Unfortunately, have been caught up, not doing well. Whereas the ones opened in the very short term, 40 days, 40 hours ago, are still trending, but the ones opened 84 hours ago, not, because it's just a case of consolidating. When you're cycling within a tight range, then these are the sort of things that can happen because we can clearly see here it has expanded and has now contracted. It looks like if you add all of these spikes and retracements, you can make up a cycle and out of all of what's going on. So yeah, so just have a look and see what you make of CLF. And thank you very much for watching this video.